Good day, folks. So a few days ago, I did a review on ND filters for the Mavic 2 Pro. So now I'm going to take a look at some ND filters for the Mavic 2 Zoom. Now, like I stated in my other video, I own many ND filters for many of the drones I own by Freewell Gear and for my GoPros. They make a nice quality ND filter and they're at an affordable price, which is important. Now, for the Mavic 2 Zoom, they sell 2 packs of ND filters. They sell the Bright Day pack and the Standard Day pack. Now, this one here is the All Day pack, which includes both of those in one package. So let's just open up the package. We'll take a closer look at them. We'll install them on the drone, and then we will go and test them out. So here are the 2 packs here, and I just want to mention too, when you purchase any of their ND filters for the Mavic series, you do get a free cleaning cloth, so that's always nice. You can never have too many of them kicking around. Now, before we get going here, I like to point out negatives and different things as well. And even though the quality of their filters are top-notch, one thing that I think does need a little bit of work is their casing. The casing's actually really nice. It looks attractive and it's very durable, so you know you're going to have your lenses protected. The problem I'm having with these new cases that they're using is that they're very difficult to open, to the point where I feel like I'm going to even draw blood from my fingers trying to get them open. They are very tricky. Now, if any of you have already purchased these, you might know what I'm talking about. There we go. Now, that's just one minor little issue. Obviously, the most important thing is the quality of the lens. So here is the first set, and let's open up the other set here. Ouch. Yeah, there we go. So anyways, here are the filters here. Basically, we've got the Standard Day set here, and we have the Bright Day set here. Now, in order not to be repetitive, I'm not going to go over the whens and whys, the 180-degree rule, and why you're using ND filters. If you do want to learn a little bit more about that, you can watch the review I did for the Mavic 2 Pro ND filters, and I'll include the link to it down below. So basically, the difference is the Standard Day ND filter pack comes with an ND4, ND8, and ND16, and a polarizing filter, whereas the Bright Day pack comes with an ND8 with polarizer, ND16 with polarizer, ND32 with polarizer, and an ND64 with polarizer. So basically they have higher values, so if you've got a really bright day, sometimes a 16, which comes in the Standard Day pack, just isn't enough. And you have the added bonus of having a polarizer. And basically on the Bright Day set, you can see there that the polarizer spins, so you can attach this to your drone and then set your polarization. Just keep in mind that when using a polarized lens, it has to be used at 90 degrees to the sun to get the full effect of it. Now, you can still use these whether you're 90 degrees to the sun or not, you just won't get the effect of polarization. So let's go ahead and we'll install one on here. Basically, what you want to do is grab a hold of your gimbal. Make sure you hold it securely. So now the stock lens that comes on the Mavic 2 Zoom is on fairly tight. So the first time you take it off, you have to use a fair amount of pressure. So that's where it's important to hold the gimbal securely. You don't want to be putting too much pressure on the mechanics of it. So you're just going to grab it, hold firmly, grab the lens, and then twist. And you can see that it comes off fairly easy. So I'm going to put on an ND8. You can see that they're all labeled there. And it's kind of overcast today. It's not too bright, so I think this one is more than sufficient. Now, to put it back on, we're just going to line up the threads, just like screwing anything on. At this point, if it's not going on smooth, just back it off and then start again. You don't want to force it on. If it's not going on smoothly, you don't want to damage the threads on the camera, because then you've created a whole another problem for yourself. So just put it on and then just screw it in gently. And just hand tighten it up. You don't want to force it on too tight. So just like that, it is installed and ready to go. So now let's head out and we will get some test footage using these Freewell Gear ND filters. Well, folks, as you can see by the footage, the Freewell Gear ND filters do a great job. Nice crystal clear footage, no distortion at all. So yeah, nice quality filters, and they do come in at a good price, which is also very important. So I will include the links down below where you can purchase the Bright Day set, the Standard Day set, or the All Day set if you'd like them all. Well, folks, I want to thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you found it enjoyable and useful. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.